Stop stressing over order handling. Let Amazon's new feature give you peace of mind. Starting February 24th, 2025, Amazon is rolling out automatic thresholds for order handling capacity. This new feature calculates a conservative estimate of your daily manageable orders based on your past 30 days average and adjusts weekly. Accurate delivery promises? Check. Once your limit is reached, delivery promises extend by a day, giving you extra handling time. Worried about late shipments? With this feature, your order acceptance aligns with your capacity, reducing late shipments. And the best part? Enhanced customer satisfaction. Realistic delivery dates mean happier customers and better reviews. Remember, this applies to standard and free economy shipping, not premium shipping or seller-fulfilled prime orders. So, level up your fulfillment game with Amazon's automatic thresholds and watch your business thrive. Happy selling!